Hi everyone, I'm Emma Jack. I'm a sport and orthopedic physiotherapist and coach practicing out of my solo practice, Press Play Physiotherapy and Pilates in Ontario, Canada. I've been using Jane for the past 7 years to help run my practice, and honestly, I could not have done it without their support. In this video, I'll walk you through how I use Jane to set clear, automated payment policies that keep my clinic running smoothly and my cash flow consistent. Let's dive in. Before we get into the details of my practice's payment policies, let's talk about Jane Payments. This feature is the backbone of my payment setup. It's secure, integrates directly with my Jane account, and lets me accept credit cards, set deposits, and send out payment reminders. To enable it on your own Jane account, all you need to do is go to Settings, Jane Payments, and then click I'm in, let's do it. Enter your bank account details and business information, and voila, you're ready to start using some of my favorite features in Jane. The first feature I want to walk you through is prepayments and deposits. Let's talk about them. Implementing deposits for new clients has been a game changer in minimizing last-minute cancellations. With Jane, I can easily set up to collect a specific deposit amount for first-time clients at their time of booking. To set this up, all I have to do is head to my settings again, then head down to online booking. And if I scroll down a little bit more, you'll see prepayments and deposits. From here, you'll see a section named First Visit Payment Policy. From here, you can have it copy your overall clinic's payment policy, like requiring a credit card on file, requiring full payment, or in my case, I just set it to require a deposit. Now that I've set this to require $100 to book, when a new client books an initial visit with me, they'll be required to place a deposit to confirm their booking. Let's talk about one of my favorite time savers, collecting credit cards on intake forms. With Jane, you can securely collect and save your clients' credit cards before they even step foot into your office. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't sure how patients would feel about this, but the convenience and ease of it all, they actually love it too. I collect my patients' credit card information through their initial intake form, and Jane makes this process super easy. With Jane, I can set up my forms to automatically send to patients as soon as they book an appointment. If you're using Jane Payments, you'll see a credit card tab within your form setup. This is where you can choose whether credit card collection is required, optional, or not required for your patients. Additionally, you can outline your cancellation policy and include a mandatory checkbox where patients confirm their agreement to your terms before providing and storing their credit card information. I don't know what I used to do without this feature. The final feature I want to highlight that helps me keep my accounts receivable in check is Jane's pay balance reminders. With just a few clicks, I can send an email or text reminder to clients about their outstanding balances. These reminders include a convenient payment button, making it super easy for clients to settle their bills. This saves me from wasting time on lengthy phone calls or chasing down payments, which just helps so much, especially as a solo clinician and when I only have so many hours in the day. Sending a pay balance reminder is so quick and easy, I promise. Simply go to the patient's profile in Jane, where you'll find two options to notify them of their outstanding balance, either via email or text message. And here's a quick tip for you. If you're looking to stay on top of outstanding balances in your practice, head over to the report section in the top bar. Then click on Accounts Receivable Report under the Billing tab. There's tons of useful filters there, but here's what I do. Each month, I filter patient accounts and send out pay balance reminders. It's such a lifesaver for staying on track. Plus, it helps me follow up without feeling like I'm being too pushy. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore how Jane and its integrated payment system have streamlined my practice payment policies. I hope these tips inspire you to create payment policies that work as efficiently as you do.